Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be repairing an iPhone 8 with a cracked screen. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
You bring an energy I've never felt before. Some kind of chemical that reaches through my core. Feels like as far as you and me, I've never had a choice. You feel like home. You're like the opposite of all of my mistakes. Tear down the biggest walls and put me in my place. I know that kind of comfortable you cannot replicate. You feel like...
And we are done. So 11 minutes and 36 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 8. The battery's about to die, the phone's about to die. But as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, then it's free. Go ahead and plug this on the charger. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on AppTech Pro on Instagram, and also our Facebook and our website as well. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And as well, if you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again.